So another thing, Dr. Joy, is that a lot of people tell me that you're a girl and your body will become weak if you donate blood. Your immune system will become weak if you donate blood. So is that's a myth as well, right?
Yeah, we should not differentiate. If the person is eligible based on all our criteria, then there's really no reason why one should not donate. We've tried to, the system tries to address a basic minimum. So if you cross that barrier, then it means that, yes, you are eligible to donate. If you cross 18 years of age and legal consent, and then you're more than 45 kilos of weight or more than 50, depending on what you're going to donate, it should not be a problem to donate. So the myth is around saying, oh, it's a gender related thing. It's really not gender related. If you're able to fulfill the criteria of being more than the weight is adequate, all the other criteria, including hemoglobin, is met, then it should not be a problem. The issue is about replenishing iron and making sure you have a healthy lifestyle. So regular diet and exercise and maintaining a good lifestyle, a low risk lifestyle beyond just a good lifestyle. A low risk lifestyle means that you can donate as frequently as your health permits you. There is a depletion of iron. And so for women, I really would not push it beyond 2 times in a year. In fact, for everybody, I would just say go and do 2 times in a year. And beyond that, as is necessary, support. With our population of eligible donors of about 400 million from that paper, you'll see, like if everybody just chose to donate 2 times in a year, we really have more than enough blood for the needs of our country.
And is there something like vegetarians cannot donate, or you have to be a non-vegetarian if you need to donate, or something which people also believe?
No, certainly not. I've had classmates who are vegetarians who've been consistent donors alongside with me. No, that does not matter at all. So long as your diet is balanced and you look for iron-rich foods in whichever source you have. So we usually advise about green leafy vegetables. Jaggery has iron. If you're non-vegetarian, then red meat contains iron. The difference is that from the Western diet to our diet, we don't really consume so much of green leafy vegetables. It's just like once in a week or twice in a week, we'll have green leafy vegetables as a side dish to chapatis, or meat is also consumed as a side dish. It's really not the main course of people to eat, which is why the interval between donation also in our country is different. In the US, for example, healthy donors can donate every 56 days if you fulfill criteria. But in our country, the limit now is 4 times a year for men and 3 times a year for women. But when you
I think there is some network issue. John, are you there?
can be sourced from diet for us. And so that's why I would recommend twice a year for women. It's very safe to donate if you're otherwise healthy.
And so I had a friend who was asking me, he just donated 2 months ago, and he checked his hemoglobin yesterday and it was 12.5. Can he still go ahead and donate? It's above the eligible HB level. Can he still donate?
No, the thing is that we try to draw these lines so that they're uniform across the board everywhere. So the rule says minimum 90 days between 2 donations if blood is being donated. If you want to be a platelet donor, like John was talking about earlier, an apheresis donor, then the rules are different for that. If you're donating red cells, then the rule is only every 90 days you can donate. And that remains uniform across the board, because we can't leave it to be discretionary for somebody because you're 75 kilos and you have hemoglobin of 16 grams. I'll take more frequently for you than for somebody who has 13.5 grams and weighs 50 kilos. It becomes difficult to manage quality and have a uniform standard. So that is number one. Second thing is, if you want to do the platelet donation, then there is a machine. There is an apheresis machine to which you're connected. Blood is taken from your body into the machine. It is separated out into platelet, and the red cells which are remaining are returned to your body. And so your body is not being depleted of red cells. We are only removing the platelets. And that is called an apheresis or a platelet pheresis or a platelet donation. If you're doing that, you can donate more frequently than when you donate for red cells.